Well, happy Labor Day, everyone from the Clamo Yacht Casino. Gonna open up the hood, do a few checks. I drove 224 miles yesterday. I have used, started with a full tank. I've used just under a half a tank of fuel from Florence all the way to here. I did a little bit of math yesterday and it came out to about 11.7 miles per gallon, so I'm going to round it up to 12. So yeah, about 12 miles per gallon. I didn't really have too much of a headwind or anything yesterday, so I think optimally I can expect on the good side, on the high side, of about 12 miles per gallon. So coolant wise, my reservoir was up to the full when I checked it yesterday. As you can see, we are plenty full of coolant. I'm really just starting to lean to believe that what happened yesterday was normal. I did hear my electric fan come on yesterday. A couple of other things I did do before I took this trip is I did have the automatic transmission fluid and filter serviced and also the bands adjusted, and I also had the rear differential fluid changed out as well, so all is good there. Fuel filter is going to be my next thing I'm going to be changing. I typically change that out once a year. Batteries in here are new as of last year. Factory all stock, 1997 12 valve Cummins turbo diesel. Haven't touched it. I would like to get about another 100 horsepower, another 100 torque out of it. I'm leaning towards having the, I guess if you can adjust the timing up a few degrees, and that gives you more horsepower, and then also changing out the governor springs on the valves. I also need to have the killer dowel pin looked at. I have never removed this cover yet. I don't know if it's been done or not, because that could ruin this motor if that ever decided to grenade on itself. Coming into Hagglestein Park. This is, according to freecampsites.net, a free 14-day area camping area. I have no idea what the scene is like here, so we're gonna check it out. Well, not really feeling it here. Camping limited to 14 days. Yeah, it might be okay for an overnight, but I'm gonna pass. I'm sure it's fine. Just not really feeling it. What is up, guys? Coming back at you. That's going to do it all for today. It's going to complete today's vlog. Let me know in the comments if you guys kind of like this format. I'd like to finish up the end of the video with just a little bit of a commentary at the end of the video. Basically what happened today, well, we made it a little bit further. I'm not going to tell you where I'm at. Maybe some of you might recognize where I'm at. You're just going to have to wait and find out till tomorrow. What did we do today? A little bit of truck inspection, looked over the truck engine a little bit and did a little bit more research, and it sounds like some of the issues people have had is the radiator has been dirty on the outside fins, but I went and looked at mine, and mine doesn't look too bad, like it's plugged up or anything. And then I went in and turned the air conditioning on to cold and the fan on full blast to try to get the electric fan to come on, but it wouldn't come on, and I didn't actually get it to 190 degrees. So my clutch fan, it does come on. I hear it come on. Is it working as it should? I don't know for totally sure, but it could be malfunctioning for some reason. So that's the latest update with that. Are going to continue to roll on and press on. So thanks for watching, guys. You rock, every one of you, and stay tuned. More coming from the West Coast Roller. Later, guys.